Apple just dropped a new application, Apple Invites, and it's pretty amazing. But here are some things you need to know. Number one, you need to have iOS 18 installed on your phone if you want to use it, so you can't use it without iOS 18. Number two, for you to actually create the invite, you somehow need to have an iCloud Plus subscription. Now, I don't know for an invites app if this is really necessary, but that's Apple for you. So you have to have an iCloud Plus subscription for you to actually create the invite. And so basically how it works is you just go onto the application, click the add button, and from that add button, you see a lot of other menu options like drafts and etc. You can create your invite or event. Then when you create your event, you enter certain details like the event name, description. You can even put some pictures in there if you want. And then you invite. Then after you do that, you can allow guests to enter, and when they enter, they are automatically accepted. The guest has to have iOS 18 also installed on their phone because they have to have the app for them to accept the invite. You can also share the link of the invite to your contacts and they can accept. So this is a new app. It's pretty great. I'm not sure about the iCloud Plus subscription, to be honest, because if you are just going to share the invite to your friends, maybe on WhatsApp or wherever, then you can also just do that simply on WhatsApp instead of like the Invites app. But yeah, you can tell me what you think about the new Apple Invites app.